Good evening, good afternoon, good morning
Mhm.
to all of you, wherever you are. My name is Dr. Devika Gunashila, and with me is Dr. Jyoti Menon.
Hello.
We are the senior consultants in Gunshila Hospital. Dr. Jyoti Menon, in fact, has been with us for the last 30 years, or
Yeah.
maybe more also.
Immediately after my MD.
Okay. And she is the senior most consultant now, presently in Gunshila. We are a 46-year-old hospital having started in 1975 under the able leadership of Dr. Sulochana Gunshila and Dr. Mava Handi Gunashila. And now we are in our 46th year, and we have had many patients who have stuck on with us starting from in the 1970s and 1980s, and have brought about and recommended a lot of their own families and friends to us. And I do think an institution reaches its maturity once the word is spread from one patient to the other.
Word of mouth more than anything else.
Yes.
And in our, like Dr. Devika was mentioning, in our both our journey and growth, we've had some patients who have been really with us.
Yes.
And I think we want to.
And I want to introduce Mrs. Varlakshmi. She is from the RK family. It's a huge family. And she has been with us from 1978, I think. 1978. So welcome, Mrs. Varlakshmi. Namaskara. And we are very happy.
Namaskara.
We are very happy to have you here. I just want you to tell us
sort of why did you choose our hospital right from the beginning? From what we understand, you just came to us right from your pregnancy. So
yes, my pregnancy.
Bit of
I am
journey.
65 now, madam. My son is 43 years old, elder son. So when at 78, I came for the checkup. 79, I delivered my first son. So I was very impressed by the way the hospital's venue, and also late Mrs. Sulochana's this thing. I was very impressed. I was just out of college, and I was appreciating her, like, being a lady and so efficient and so good. That impressed me first to opt for the hospital. And I had shifted newly to that area also. That was also one of the reasons. Probably if I would have been some other area, I don't think I would have gone to this thing. But from then onwards, I recommend immediate after 3 months, my sisters-in-law, my sister, co-sisters, everyone, I brought them to think. The first impression was very good for me. That was my experience. So even to this day, my son, my daughters, my nieces, nephews, wives, everyone I've recommended, madam. We have got already 25 children born from our family in that institution hospital.
My God, that's a huge number.
I've got the names, dates, everything, and this thing. I mean, it was a very nice experience. Even now, they treat me as a representative of Gunshila Nursing Home right from 70s, ma'am.
Yes. You have a huge family. You have something like 45 members?
Yes, 40 members in our family. We are 6 brothers and 2 sisters. We are residing in almost the same compound with 3 houses.
Yeah, so it's like, each one has their own privacy, but then they all come together.
Yes, ma'am. I've got a common kitchen, common puja, common festivals, common all the things, with so a lot of 3 generations to 4 generations are living in this thing. Just recently only we lost our parents, but my elder brother, who is 76, is the eldest in the house, ma'am. So we all stayed together, and our husband, like my husband and my sister's husband also, we are also in the concern and in the same house.
Yeah. I mean, it's commendable that you have 45 members staying together, living together, and it's fantastic. And I think a lot of credit goes to you, because I always see you as the leader in the family who makes all the important decisions, and everything is kind of left to you, and your word is the law. And I don't think anybody opposes it. So it speaks a lot about you also, Mrs. Varlakshmi. I think fantastic.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And Dr. Jyoti Menon is not 30 years experience, 34 or 36 6 years, if I'm not.
My God, she remembers me more than.
Remember,
Yeah.
she was the only sonographist then. She was the only. I got my scanning done under her guidance.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, she's
Yeah.
been.
Anyway,
Yeah.
thank you so much, Varalakshmi. And like you had said, you initially, because you moved to Baswangudi, at that
Yes.
time, I think we were one of the premier hospitals for delivery in South Bangalore.
Yes. Yes.
And from then we have grown leaps and bounds in
Yes,
a
ma'am.
lot of ways.
And I've seen
that,
each stage.
yeah,
Mm.
and once, of course, my mentor, Sulochana Madam, brought it up, but then taking
Yes.
it forward was a lot by Dr. Devika along with her husband, Dr. Rajshekar.
Yes.
And I just
Yes.
want to ask you,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, your impression initially was good. What made you stay on with us, made all your family members also come to us? Is it the same kind of commitment which continues with betterment with each year?
Because you have now moved from Baswangudi to Mahalakshmi Layout, which is a
Yes,
long trek from
Yes,
our
long way, but you know, I am so emotionally and this thing attached to your institution. I think I just can't get over it. And you know, I had almost gone into the depression that I could not bring the other two patients to your this thing. You won't believe my position. So that is the attachment, madam. I told you, the first impression of Dr. Sulochana Gunchila took me to think, because that feminist this thing, where the ladies were not given so much of importance those days. And I was the only one postgraduate in my old caste, I should not tell. I was the only postgraduate, and I saw that, I studied, and I was for the feminist this thing. So she was a model for me, ideal model for me. So I said I must do anything for her. So anything she asked, I was ready. Anyone, any patient, anyone coming and requesting me, I've got not only my own relations, so many others, friends, everyone, I used to take them there. So many of them, I can even have the dates and the examples of the people whom I brought. So somehow, I think I'm emotionally attached. I can say that much.
Yes.
I am very grateful to Dr. Zaid, both you and the others. For
We
us,
are,
Dr. Sulochana took care of us, and our children, Madam Devika took care. So it's a combination. I can't separate both of them or anything. Both my experience and my children's experience are correlated, ma'am.
Varalakshmi, like you said, no, whoever has met at least Dr. Sulochana Madam and later Dr. Devika, I
Yes,
definitely
I'm.
they are all, so they are all like some kind of guiding lights for whoever has come in contact with them. Especially Sulochana Madam, whoever we talk to, even now when Dr. Devika talks to anybody who has been in touch with her, whether they're her colleagues or her doctors or her juniors or patients, everybody has gained some kind of inspiration from her.
I was very impressed. Though I'm a housewife, I'm not a professional.
That does
But
not matter
at all.
My idol, I used to quote everyone. Anyone, like they say, I want to study, you should be like man. And one other thing I want to specify is, she was like, if girls were born, some ladies were sulking. I've seen in my own house. I'm some sort of this thing. And she used to really take them for a ride. That part of it I liked her, because she used to tell girls are not less, no less. I've got two girls. Both of them are equally professionals, and they're pairing so well. What is this thing you're sulking like that you've got a girl? She's told my one sisters-in-law who have got 3 girls each. So really nice for being a lady. I mean, that inspiration I got from her. And now also hats off to you, madam, with all the difficulties you have given our family of models. Even now it is something to do with the gynec. We have just got G. Everything.
You said about 25 babies have been born now.
Okay,
No?
I just have a suggestion. You remember we have a photograph of
Yes,
y'all. Can we put it along with this?
Yes, 21 we have got, madam. I think I sent this thing when there were 21 children. Now another 4 or 5 are added to this. This thing. I'll send a photograph of all the.
Can you do that? That would be nice. That would be fantastic.
It's almost 4 or 5 children after that photograph have been understood. I send all the photographs, ma'am. No problem. Just give me a day. I will post it to you in the this thing.
See, the thing is that now when you came to the hospital, we were one of the newer hospitals that
Yes.
have been built in Baswangudi, and I remember my Dr. Sulochana telling me that she wanted to build it in a certain way, and the architect was saying, in her mind there was a lot of space that was left, which was empty, and he was wasting a lot of space. So he said, no, every room should have a lot of light, should have a lot of air, and it was one of the newer hospitals, and so she just went with the flow. And I think half of South Bangalore has delivered over here, earlier on.
No doubt about it.
Yeah.
No doubt about it.
Yeah, but then the thing is that and we have grown now. We are 46 years, and we've grown also in not only in terms of adding on more floors, but also in terms of technology expertise. Also, we are pretty well known for our infertility, and we must be one of the oldest infertility centers
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
country, and definitely in South India, a private
Yes.
center, and also doing extremely good work with fantastic technology, and we are progressive.
Yes.
I want to know, are there any suggestions that you would want to give us? Anything different that you want to see in Gunshila? We definitely value suggestions from people like you, who are definitely our well-wishers. So,
Yes, everything is fine, madam, as far as this thing is concerned. The doctor's services, nurses services, everything. And you're the only hospital from those days which had exclusive nurseries. No other hospital have separate nurseries. They give the babies, just keep and give to the mothers. And they have to take care of things. And that one thing also attracted me, because the baby is completely taken care of in the nursery, where the mother is, not doesn't have any tension or stress. But new mothers, they can't handle the babies. So this thing I am talking about 78, not now. And they were wondering where the babies are. Only the Bananti idale, magu illa, go come to the hospital. So I said, this system of having a separate nursery for thing and giving complete rest to the new mother is a fantastic idea. I had told it to Dr. Sulochana also. Idu matra ellu na nodilla, madam. This thing, even the big hospitals. And another thing is, I don't like going to a multi-speciality hospitals where so many cases come of other diseases. Okay, hospital. Illi namge exclusively it is a gynecologist and this thing. So we can be free. We can know A to Z of the thing, and you diagnose the problem, even if it is the minute thing, and rectify it. This thing, that aspect of it, because I've undergone all the so many cases where in my own family, where it was a critical this thing, what was a precious pregnancy, a high risk pregnancy, high risk deliveries, premature babies, all that I've got. And you've got all the technology, all the experienced and excellent doctors who have come.
See, one more thing, like you rightly said, everything which is required for pregnancy as well as infertility right now also is available. Available under one roof. No, the patient doesn't have to go anywhere.
That's what I'm telling. That's what I'm doing. Because you go one building to that test. This is all comprised in one. Correct. So you can just go, and it is like a home. That's another this thing which attracted me. No, we don't
feel like a hospital.
Yeah. And personal contact, ma'am. That's one thing I appreciate of the hospital, because you go to any other hospital I've seen for other problems, they just contact in computers, come this, finish blood test, alli madi, this thing, finish there. And they don't have that personal touch, whatever it is, whatever is the problem, whatever is the thing, you talk to them personally, to the patient, it works a lot. I don't know. Yeah. As a patient, I feel that, because you should have the personal touch. But you just console them in few words. Yeah, you don't worry. This time it's happened like this. Next time you'll have a baby. Don't. And no patient, as far as I've come across, have gone disappointed in your nursing home. That's one thing I will tell you.
Thank you very much for the very kind words, but I'm sure that's not true.
Really, no mishaps in our families. About 25 to 30 children. Yeah. And all the initial checkup were done here, and they would have gone to their respective mothers for the delivery. That's different. But we have got about 30 children. All the children are healthy, nice, happy, settled. They are married. They have got children, even that. So all the credit goes to Gunchila
So
Hospital.
I think the credit goes to you,
You.
because you're such a strong personality.
Thank you
And
so much.
I have seen how you, motivate your nieces, nephews, your sisters, in that, you're an admirable personality, because the way you have actually held your family together, it's not a small feat, especially
Yes.
in this day and age, having 40 people living in the same, under the
Yes.
same roof, or in the same compound, without any hassles.
Yes.
And I have seen how the way you bring your family, you take care of them, you
Yes.
interact with the doctors, and you are a true leader. I mean, that's what I want to say.
Not a problem.
I just want
Yes.
to say one more thing, Varalakshmi. In addition to what Dr. Devika just mentioned, we
Okay.
as doctors have found that how
Mm.
much ever we do, patient contribution makes a
Ah,
lot of difference.
That's my personal experience. And all the patients whom I've got also, they say, they have a nice talk, whether it is Dr. Sulochana, Devika, Jyoti, anyone. You talk to us in a pleasing words, which helps a lot in the psychology of a patient.
Yeah, and also, I think what Dr. Jyoti is trying to say is that, when we give you some advice, you're receptive to it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and then you're willing to take it.
You're willing to take it. And
Yes, never need to take it.
your
Trust.
kind of contribution, your trust in us,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
your actually absolute trust. You say, yes, they are doing
Yes.
the best, what is for us,
Yeah.
and you follow it.
Yeah.
We have
Yes.
found out that when patients are like that, the outcome is excellent for
Yeah.
them and
Really?
for
Yes,
us.
yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you're very true, ma'am. And we follow. They should follow. There are some patients who don't follow. I'm not telling, but only in Gunchila I found that personal contact of the patients and the doctors.
Yeah.
Anyone, take it is the chief or the junior doctors or the duty doctors. Anyone, I'm telling. Even the nursery pediatricians, everyone, and especially all those staff in this thing are excellent, ma'am.
Yeah.
They guide you so well and even anyone comes and asks me, I can vouch for this thing. I will say I am for. They call me only Gunchila baby, like Gunchila madam. I mean, my pet name is baby. Lakshmi is my name, but baby. Anyone they say, you go to Gunchila. I know you go to Gunchila. This is
So,
Okay.
So I want to take this opportunity to
Yes.
thank you very
Thank
much
you.
for all your kind words.
Welcome,
And
ma'am.
it's been a pleasure to talk to you, and we are honored to have patients like you who are trusting us and who still come to us. So thank you very much for the trust that you have placed in us, and I wish you and your family all the very best.
Thank
Looking
you so
forward
much.
to seeing your daughters-in-law now.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. I'm with them in 2 or 3 weeks time, ma'am. I
No,
will
no problem. Yeah.
I'm so happy to have this conversation with you.
Thank you.
Thank
Me
you
too,
so
me
much.
too. Thank you very much for your
All,
time.
my
Thank
whole family, my daughter-in-law, my son, the grandchildren send their regards to me.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah.